Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use KuCoin Lite Mode for beginners. So I just log into my account officially, and if you don't have an account, you will just tab on the official website of KuCoin.com and sign in and create your account. And after creating, you will just move in the features, and I will just tap to enable contract trading. This is the light mode version. When I tab on it, and it please verify your account, but right now my account is not verified because I recently created. I'll show you some examples. And if your fund is an another platform, you may click transfer, deposit, and transfer the coins to your KuCoin future account to start your contract trading. Please note that the deposit is only available for the settlement coin in the current market. If you need to deposit other coins, please shift the market first. So after you will just tab on the enable contract, you will see like this. So on KuCoin's futures Lite, you can call or put the contracts based on the practical market trends. When placing an order, you need to enter your trading amount and select the leverage you plan to apply. So you can just select your plan and just tap on apply. And if you have placed an order successfully, you can check the profit and loss and your position details in positions. And if you want to sell the contract, click sell short and confirm the operation to proceed. And if the stop loss feature is not enabled when your position is triggered due to large price swings in the market, your orders will be liquidated automatically by the system, and you will receive a notification as follows. So this is how you can use a light version for beginners. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.